If you want to get edge lighting or edge lights on CMF Phono 2 Pro, then we need to download a third-party app that allows us to get edge lighting. So in this case, we're gonna go to the Play Store and let's search for an app that allows us to get edge light. So in my case, I am familiar with one specific app that is called Movies Edge. And this is the app that we can install in order to get edge lights. So let's wait for the app to be installed and let's open it. I'm gonna show you how to set it up. So first we need to tap over here where we have draw over apps. And then once you see this display over other apps, we need to find Movies Edge and then we need to allow. Now let's go back. There we go, and make sure that you are in edge lights over here in the bottom left corner. And we can now first decide when we should see edge lights, so we can enable music overlay, AOD music, and AOD notification. So most likely we want to select AOD notification. Most of the time this is how we use it, but of course we can select pretty much everything. So over here in this menu, find Movies Edge and allow notification access. There we go, let's go back. We can also allow for AOD music, because why not? So let's choose while using the app, and then a music overlay as well. You can tap on lines here in order to choose a different effect. So you can see there is a bunch of different effects that we can use. We also have particles, lights, and so on. However, some of them are premium. If you see a star, then as you can see, we need to get some sort of premium to be able to use it. So in this case, we're gonna stick with one of the free versions. So let's say I'm gonna use these waves. We can tap on these three colors that we have in the top right corner in order to choose different color palette. So let's say I'm gonna choose perhaps this purple one, and then we can go back. And now we can of course also slide left and right in order to choose immediately a different effect. However, I think this is easier. So once you find and set up your favorite edge lights effect, then you can just press apply. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!